Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome back to part 3 of our golden path. Today we're going to be focusing on the actual path and finishing up the tree. If this is your first time, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. Really helps me out. Also, go ahead and take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of merchandise for you to buy to help support me. And with that out of the way now, we're going to get right into it. So for the first part of today's session, I just wanted to finish up some of these small details on this tree. So I just used some of the leftover color palette from the last session, which was just a bunch of colors mixed up that was like green and a little bit of browns, just to give it that aged mossy look and finish this up before we move on to the meat of today's video, which is the path. For the rest of today's session, we're going to be focusing on this path. For that, I mixed up some grays with a little bit of blue hues to them. I just used some Mars black, some titanium white, and a little bit of blue just to give it that kind of stone tinge to it. And then I would just go through and add either a little bit of black or a little bit of white and slowly build up the layers to add different effects of shading and highlights. Basically, I just go through using a smaller and smaller brush till I get to the fine details that I'm happy with. that's about going to do it for this episode. So if you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. All right, make sure that if this is your first time here, you hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you in the next episode.